Assalamu alaikum, grade 8 computer science students. Today I will introduce you with the syllabus that you will take for the next year. My name is RIAZ and I will be teaching you for the entire grade 8. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. You can use this number to ask questions, to clarify your confusions, and if you have any question regarding today's lesson or the coming lesson, you can send me a message. Also, I need your WhatsApp numbers and Gmail IDs. I have sent a message regarding this on your WhatsApp group, so please send me as soon as possible so that we can start our lessons. In the meantime, you will find the lessons on the YouTube, but for the course material and other relevant things that I will send you on the groups, including quizzes and homeworks. Let's start. First of all, I will introduce you with the objectives of the course. Our first objective is to give you a solid foundation for the O-level computer science. So for those students who will be taking O-level as an optional subject, they will have the benefit of taking this course. Not only this, the students who will not take computer science as optional subjects, still they will benefit from this course and they will be learning important skills that will be using that they will use in their student life as well as professional life. So the next objective is to improve your understanding both in conceptual as well as the practical skills of the computers. So based on the last objective, our course is theoretical as well as practical. The main chapters that are included in the course, Introduction to Computers. In this part we will cover what is computer, the main parts of the computers, introduced to you with the hardware, software, and what is data and information. Then we will discuss in details the input devices, examples of the input devices, and application or use of each device, as well as advantages and disadvantages of each device. I will also introduce you to output devices and the applications and the uses of the output devices, and the advantages and disadvantages of the output devices. Also, you will be able to identify these input devices and output devices. Means if I give you a picture, you will be able to tell the name of the device. I will introduce you to the storage devices. You need the storage devices to store the information in the computer, and you will be able to identify the device as well as you will be able to learn where these devices are used and what are the possible advantages and disadvantages of each device. In the next part, you will learn the central processing unit and its parts. Also, you will learn number systems and conversions. You will learn binary number systems, decimal number systems, and hexadecimal number system, and you will be able to convert from one number system into another number system. Then we have some practicals units that you will be covering. The first one, you will be learning how to type. Typing is very important skill, and in this course you will learn how to type well on the computer keyboard. Then you will learn how to make presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is very important skill. You will be using it as a student in the college, university, as well as in the professional life. You will learn important skills in Microsoft Word, including how to type an essay or a letter, and how to apply different settings including text size, colors, inserting pictures, and many other features that are important you will learn in Microsoft Word. The last part of the practicals is learning programming, and you will learn how to write basic programs, and of course you will learn flowcharts as well. This concludes the introduction of the syllabus main chapters. The resources for study, the students will be provided with the notes and the handouts that are required for this course. How you can learn this course better? For this course, you do not need to study in detail. Yes, you do not need to study in detail. The topics are short and precise, but you need to be focused so that you can learn it better. Once you understand the topics, then it will be easier for you to memorize. Discussion with your classmates are very important, and you can discuss with your classmates about any confusion, and sometimes it's easier for you to communicate with your classmates so you will understand better. Also, the students who will help the other students, it will help to improve their learning as well, as the best way to learn something is to teach someone. For the practical skills, you need to understand the topics very well, especially you need to focus when the teacher is explaining the practical skills, and then the other part is you have to practice and practice. So the time that is available for the practice, you have to utilize it very well. The last thing, if some topic is difficult for you, you always ask question. If you will not ask question, the teacher will not know that some topic is very hard for you until the teacher gave you a test. So before the teacher gives you a quiz or test, you have